Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you some tactical analysis over on the Bitcoin chart. As it appears, Bitcoin is essentially consolidating over the last several weeks before its next huge move. So with that being said, let's get right to the charts. And we will start over here on the 4-hour charts for Bitcoin USDT on the Binance exchange. This was the chart we were looking at last week, and we were basically looking for Bitcoin to either break out or break down from this descending triangle. And actually in the previous video, we were back in this area last Monday. It's now a week later, and you can see a few days later, Bitcoin actually did break out. Now, in reality, this breakout does appear to have been nothing more than a fake out, as Bitcoin's price failed to actually pump and achieve the target price of around 21,500. It actually got stuck pretty much at this line of resistance. If you look back and check our 6 back here, you can see a huge level of resistance back here around the 20,500 level, which is in line with this Fibonacci 50% level right here at 20,467. And so in reality, this move was just a big fake out. Could have been just essentially a bull trap and snap shut on those bulls. And now you can see the consolidation has continued, which could actually be leading up to the next huge move. The longer Bitcoin consolidates essentially between this 20,500 range and this 18,000 range, the more likely Bitcoin's price is to explode in either direction. Again, as traders, we're not making predictions, we're just looking at probabilities. And right now, Bitcoin is essentially just consolidating. Looks like actually perfect price action for a grid bot. We are getting the dips that you could be buying and the rips up that you could be selling. And so this is ideal grid bot price action. Now, if you're not familiar with how a grid bot operates, basically the grid bot is made up of open limit buy and sell orders, which are represented in the green lines are the buy orders, the red lines would be your sell orders. And so the objective of a grid bot is essentially to buy low and then sell high. And so when you have this choppy price action, the bot is buying all the dips and selling the rips back up. And that is essentially the price action we're currently seeing right now with Bitcoin. We're getting the rips up, the dips down, followed by more rips up. Now we get a little bit of chop, and then we get another rip up where the bot is capturing profit. Another huge dip down, so you're buying the whole way down at a lower price. Get another pop up. Again, this would be ideal price action for a grid bot, but I have a whole ton of videos addressing that, and if you want to check out that playlist. Today's video is about technical analysis, and so let's get right back to it. Now, if Bitcoin is actually going to have a huge move towards the top side, clearly the first level it needs to probably break through is going to be this 20,500 level. Until Bitcoin's price can close above this 20,500 level, at least on the 4-hour chart here, really at the end of the day, Bitcoin's price is more than likely to just continue this consolidation. And on the flip side, if Bitcoin is going to have a huge move towards the downside, the first level Bitcoin's price would need to break down through would be 18,000. Now, a breakdown through 18,000, there would be a very strong probability of Bitcoin selling off lower. And that lower level looks like somewhere around 17,000. After that, then Bitcoin's price could sell off to perhaps down around 15,000. Now, since that huge move will more than likely not happen overnight, however it could, this is Bitcoin, I prefer to jump over here to the daily candles for Bitcoin, and you can see very similar price action as the 4-hour chart, where Bitcoin's price is again just pretty much consolidating between, in this case, the 17,622, which is the low so far for this bear market, and on the top side around 25,002. However, if we look at the more recent price action, you can see back here September 14th to essentially today, October 3rd, Bitcoin is trading in that range between the 18,000 and that 20,500 zone. And this is the price action that I would look for that huge move. And that huge move might only be a breakout back towards this 25,000. But before we can set our targets on 25,000, Bitcoin's price clearly needs to break above this 618 level on the Fibonacci retracement, and that's coming in at that 20,500. I think 20,500 is going to be a key level. After that, then we're looking at 21,500, and then the last line of defense would be the 382 level on the Fibonacci retracement, and that's coming in at around 22,300. After that, then it's pretty much open air to that 25,000. However, Bitcoin's price is still in a bearish trend. As you can see, we have this descending triangle setting up, and Bitcoin is setting lower highs currently. And so on the flip side, if Bitcoin's price breaks down through essentially the 17,622 level, then we could see possibly Bitcoin sell off towards 15.5, a breach of 15.5, and Bitcoin's more than likely headed down to around 13,000. That would definitely be a huge move in the bearish direction. And in reality, as long as Bitcoin trades around this 19,000 level, the move towards the top side of 25,000 would be around a 30% move, and a move back down towards 13,000 would also be right around a 30% move. So I think that's enough jaw jacking for this video. If anything major happens over here on the charts, I will do an update video. So now would be a good time to shoot that subscribe button. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comment section down below. And until next time, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.